I want to show you a useful website that I recently discovered called A View from My Seat. As the name of the website implies, it shows you an image of what your seat might look like. And the reason this is beneficial is because, when you're buying tickets, you don't always know, is there going to be a pole obstructing you? How kind of angled is the view of, let's say, the stage or whatever you're trying to watch, and so forth, right? So this is a very useful way to kind of gauge that. So it's very simple. aviewfrommyseat.com is the website, and you can view all kinds of, venues, for sports teams, for concerts, theater stuff, so, plays and stuff like that. I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to look for the Pasadena Playhouse, which is where I went to recently, and I was kind of curious of like, okay, well, I'm looking at these tickets, right? They have different prices. The ones that are cheaper obviously might seem a little bit worse, so it's like, okay, well, am I going to be totally screwed if I do that? So, as you can see, here's various photos, and it gives you kind of where it is, right? Now, the thing of it is, this is all user-generated, right, in that regard, so it doesn't have, every seat available and stuff like that, so it's not like this insanely magical thing, but at least it gives you a relatively good idea of how and where you might be sitting, depending on what you choose, right? So it's a tool. It's not the end-all be-all, but I think it is greatly beneficial, especially when you're going to a venue that you have no clue about and you're about to drop this money. You don't want to be screwed. So aviewfrommyseat.com can help you out.